Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying the file properties so you know what to change. This saves time. Once done, pick a target format like MP4 and a codec such as H.264. These balance quality and compatibility. Make sure to choose a sensible resolution. Downscale 4K to 1080p if delivery needs demand smaller files. You should enable batch mode now when compressing many files. That automates repeats and preserves your settings for consistency. Now focus on the core controls: bitrate, frame rate, and passes. You lower bitrate to shrink size, but use 2-pass encoding when you need consistent quality. This analyzes then encodes for efficiency. Once adjusted, reduce frame rate only if motion allows and match resolution to delivery. Remember to enable hardware acceleration to speed encoding. Preview a 10-30-second clip to confirm visual quality. If it looks blocky, raise bitrate or switch to H.265 for better compression. You export with your preset, watching system load so you know if hardware is the bottleneck. Once complete, play the entire file to confirm audio sync, color fidelity, and absence of artifacts. Quality checks catch issues early. If the result is too degraded, increase bitrate or switch codecs. If encoding fails or crashes, update GPU drivers or disable acceleration and try again. One key troubleshooting tip: test adjustments on a short clip so fixes are fast and repeatable. This saves time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.